Welcome to the channel. We spend billions of dollars each year on airline travel, trusting that the industry will deliver us and our loved ones to our destination safely. A state of blissful ignorance. We don't want to know how the hot dog's made. We just want to eat the hot dog. But we overlook the fact that the industry is run on corporate greed and government bureaucracy. A CEO can completely destroy a safety culture at a company while retiring with a golden parachute worth millions. At the same time, an experienced workforce is downsized with government approval and replaced with a less experienced and cheaper workforce. So when it comes to safety in the airline industry, what is it that you want?
You want answers! I want the truth! You can't handle the truth! I have neither the time nor the inclination to explain myself.
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
I don't give a damn what you think you are entitled to.
Not what you want to see out of the window of your plane. The FAA says the plane's engine cover detached during takeoff, striking a wing flap and forcing them to make an emergency landing. It's important to note, while the plane was made by Boeing, the engine was made by a company called CFM.
You don't want the truth because deep down in places you don't talk about at parties.
It could be a failure of airline personnel to properly secure engine cowling post-maintenance.
Surprise, surprise, surprise!
Now, anyone that's worked on these type of aircraft knew it was either a failure of the latches, highly unlikely, or a failure of maintenance, most likely. So let's go ahead and take a look at this NTSB article. NTSB says Southwest engine cover loss caused by maintenance issue. The chair of the National Transportation Safety Board said the loss of an engine cover on a Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-800 on Sunday that fell off during takeoff in Denver and struck the wing flap was the result of a maintenance issue. NTSB Chair Jennifer Homnady told reporters after a Senate hearing the airplane had been in for maintenance the night before the incident in which it lost the engine cowling. The board opted not to open a formal investigation, Homnady added. Let's take a look at another occurrence that will be determined to be a maintenance issue. That's right, I'm on the record stating it will be determined to have been a maintenance issue.
Roll that beautiful bean footage.
Breaking news, a United Airlines plane just made an emergency landing at LAX after losing a wheel shortly after taking off from San Francisco International Airport. The Boeing 777 aircraft was departing for Osaka at 11:30 this morning when the wheel fell off, landing at an airport employee parking lot, damaging several cars.
Runway 28R goes right over here. That is where the wheel came off, and depending on where you were in a parking lot, you were either very lucky or very unlucky.
We've got several events, but none of which seem to be related. This one this morning, more than likely a maintenance issue, despite some very scary and publicly seen events.
These are not aircraft manufacturing or engine manufacturing issues. The issues I've highlighted here are maintenance issues and airline safety issues. So when it comes to airline safety, what is the truth? And does safety take a backseat to profit?
The truth is what I say it is.
Our aviation system in the United States is very safe.
In the end, it's up for you to decide. The only choice we really have is where we spend our dollars. So like, subscribe, hit the notification. Thanks for watching. Peace out.